So this is the SJ SJ4000 Air action camera. From this number we can verify that this product is genuine or not, and this is a genuine product. And you can download the app by scanning this QR code. So let's unbox this now. हाँ, और ये मेरे एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से नहीं है, ये किसी और के एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से है. So this is our action camera. This comes with a waterproofing case already. Let's see what we get inside the box. This is the user manual. These are the SJ Cam stickers. Let's see what all accessories do we get with this. So this is sub mounts, curve mount, a USB cable for charging. Yes. This is the J mount. And some extra plugs. So this is our camera, which comes with a waterproofing case. Now let's open the waterproofing case and get the camera in our hands. Yes, so this is our SJ Cam SJ4000 Air in our hands. So I got this memory card, 32 GB, you can see this, and this does not comes with the camera, you have to buy it separately. So for mounting the action camera, I have used the curve mount given in the accessory box, a J hook, okay, and extender to the action camera with the waterproofing case. Now let's mount the action camera on my helmet. First, taking this J hook and clamping it here. It's easy slide and push. Then we'll put this inside here with this extra plug. Now you can see that the action camera is mounted on my helmet. Now let's go for a round and see the sample videos taken from this camera.
चालू करते ही सैंपल फुटेज में मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि कितना आवाज़ जा रहा है। और मैंने अभी वो ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको, जो विंड का कवर है वो जो खुला रखा है उसको बंद कर दिया। मुझे पता नहीं है कितना आवाज़ आ रहा है उसके अंदर, और मुझे तो लग रहा है बिल्कुल ही आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा है कुछ भी, क्योंकि माइक शायद बहुत दूर है। और मैं 10 बार कैमरा चेक कर चुका हूँ कि कैमरा गिरा है या नहीं।
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.